Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your funds from Grace Community. First, go to Grace Community and log in with your registered email and password. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and click on Wallet. Then, click on Withdraw. If this is your first withdrawal, you'll need to add your wallet address. Make sure to use an ERC20 Ethereum address. Here's how. Open your MetaMask wallet, copy your address, and double-check that it's on the Ethereum network. If you're using a centralized exchange or wallet, make sure you copy the USDT or USDC deposit address on the Ethereum ERC20 network. Paste the address into the field and click Save. Now you're all set. Just enter the amount you want to withdraw and click the Withdraw button. A confirmation window will pop up showing the withdrawal fee plus the Ethereum gas fee. If everything looks good, click Confirm Withdraw. The funds usually take about 24 hours to arrive, but many times you'll receive them almost instantly, just like today. Congratulations on being part of Grace Community.
Important note: you can only withdraw using USDT or USDC on the Ethereum network. Using a different blockchain could cause you to lose your funds permanently. Also, you're limited to just one withdrawal every 24 hours.